Would you like to get and stay lean and eat dessert too? Well then stay tuned for this video because I'm going to be teaching you a dessert to lose weight recipe, low carb cinnamon roll muffins. Now this recipe is really easy to make and we are going to be using in the ingredients pumpkin puree, almond and coconut flour, vanilla protein powder. I'm using a plant-based protein powder. It's pea and brown rice, but you could use whey protein, you could use like a flavored hemp protein, but I find that vanilla tastes the best. Sunflower seed butter, but you can use any kind of nut or seed butter. Coconut oil, and instead of baking powder, I'm using baking soda and lemon juice, but you can use baking powder. Cinnamon. And then we're going to be making a lemon coconut butter glaze out of coconut butter and erythritol and lemon juice. Now that we've preheated our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to add all of our powdered ingredients into a bowl. So our almond and coconut flour, our vanilla protein powder, and our cinnamon, and mix that up. Now we're gonna add our wet ingredients. So our nut or seed butter, our canned pumpkin, our coconut oil, and our baking powder substitute, baking soda and lemon juice, but you can use baking powder if you want. And mix it up. Now we want to grab a muffin tin and line it with liners, or you can also just grease the muffin tin. And we're just going to basically fill up our muffin tins 3/4 of the way full. What I love about this recipe is it's just so easy. You're basically just throwing everything into a bowl and putting it in the muffin tins. All right, so now we're gonna bake these at 350 degrees for 10 to 13 minutes. We wanna check them at 10 minutes and put a little toothpick in, and if it comes out clean, then they're ready. So let's check back in 10 minutes.
Later.
All right, so our muffins cooked perfectly in 10 minutes. So we're just going to transfer them to a cooling rack.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, so now that our muffins have cooled, I'm just going to spoon the coconut butter icing on top and sprinkle with a little bit of cinnamon. All right, guys, here is the finished product. So they are very moist. Let's give them a taste. These are really yummy. They're really moist from the almond butter and the pumpkin. It's delicious with the coconut butter icing. I think maybe next time I would double the portions on the icing to have even more icing. But these are absolutely delicious. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe. And all of the ingredients and amounts are gonna be in the description box below. In this video, I shared with you dessert to lose weight, low carb cinnamon roll muffins. My name is Krista Elizabeth, and if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and comment below helpful if this video helped you. If you're interested in learning more about the ultimate sustainable weight loss diet, then grab my Healthy Fat Loss Secrets grocery list in the description box below. It's gonna be a great resource for you next time you go to the grocery store so you know exactly what to buy. I love you guys, I appreciate you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here. And here, And also subscribe to my channel here, and if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi, I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.